Hey everyone, it's me, Smooth Brain. What's in my Scentbird pouch this quarter? Well, first I have perfume from Dedcool, and this is called fragrance number 3. What I love about Scentbird is they give you all the notes right on the back. So the notes on this are juniper berry, which I love, pomelo, which is another word for grapefruit, saffron, black violet, and blonde woods. This smells gorgeous, so much so that I'm going to put it on right now. It's got a really nice wood base. It does have a little tiny bit of powderiness to it, probably from the violet, but the juniper berries, they're like really nice. So yeah, that's the first one from Dedcool, fragrance number 3. It says, dewy, cool, spicy. What if you could bring time to a stop? Smells like narcotic leather and blooming black petals. Feels like silencing the noise. The next one is from Acqua de Parma. And it's got like a light pink color to it. It's called Peonia Nobile. And the notes on this are raspberry accord, black pepper oil, peony accord, I would guess so, being that the name is Peonia Noble, musk, and amber. So I do think it's going to have a little bit of a powdery finish. Let's see. I love the smell of peonies, but I will say that floral perfumes are not my favorite ones. But let's see how this smells. Ooh, that's got a little kick to it. Definitely a spiciness to it, probably from the black pepper oil. Interestingly, the peony and the raspberry kind of blend together underneath the black pepper, and it gives almost like a fruity floral. It's very nice. And then the last one we have is Cherry Bomb. And we know how popular cherry has been in the last couple of years, particularly with the Tom Ford cherry. Lost Cherry, I think it's called. And this one, whoa, has cherry liqueur, black cherry, ripe strawberries, sugared praline, and vanilla. So this hits you in the face with the cherry right away, but then it kind of almost smells like a cherry pie because that praline comes through and the vanilla. I do like Lost Cherry better than this, and the dupe that I have for it, Okcha, it's called something like Devil. I'll put it down below. But this is nice. It would be nice for something different. So those are my 3 Scentbirds this month. I get 3 every quarter. Tell me what you've gotten in the last month, and let me know what you like. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.